Hi everyone, my name is Gaurav Girish Rangnekar. I will be talking about Tesla Motors and why did Tesla USA invested in India through Tesla Netherlands. So as you all know, in the Indian financial year 2020-21, Tesla USA incorporated an Indian subsidiary in Bangalore, and the name of the company is Tesla India Motors and Energy Private Limited. It is incorporated with the ROC of Bangalore. So ideally, Tesla USA should have invested in India directly, but they did not use this plan. Rather, they invested in Indian subsidiary through Tesla Netherlands. So Tesla Netherlands is the subsidiary of Tesla USA, and Tesla India will be the subsidiary of Tesla Netherlands. So basically, Tesla USA's top level management made a very interesting and intelligent investment strategy, and they invested in India through Tesla Netherlands. So by adopting this strategy, the investment strategy, Tesla will get ample of benefits. The benefits related to capital gain tax, the benefits related to the withholding of tax, the benefits related to dividend payment tax. So these benefits will be available to Tesla because India has signed a treaty with Netherlands, and the name of the treaty is Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement. So this entire investment strategy and the benefits will revolve around the DTAA. DTAA is the short form of Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement. So DTAA will benefit Tesla Motors in a very long run, and it will help a company to grow very large. So earlier, if you analyze the markets, there are various companies that have invested in India through Singapore, Thailand, because these are the tax haven countries. But in recent times, there are various amendments that are made and which made Tesla to not use Singapore route or Thailand route to invest in India. So they decided to invest through Netherlands, and this will benefit Tesla in a very long run and in a very positive way.